Today, we're diving deep under the dashboard to uncover one of the most powerful, yet often overlooked, features in your car, the OBD2 port. What is it? It's that little trapezoid-shaped port, usually located under your steering wheel. Since 1996, every car sold in the US has one, and it's your direct line of communication with your car's brain. Think of it as a universal translator for your vehicle. It speaks a language of codes and data, and with the right tools, you can understand exactly what your car is trying to tell you. Forget just waiting for a check engine light to pop on. This port is the key to unlocking a world of information, saving you money, and even making you a smarter driver. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see your car in a whole new light. So, let's start with the most common use for the OBD2 port, diagnostics. We've all been there. That dreaded check engine light illuminates your dashboard, and your heart sinks a little. Is it something simple, like a loose gas cap, or is it a major, wallet-busting repair? In the old days, your only option was to head straight to a mechanic and pay a diagnostic fee, just to find out what the problem was. But not anymore. With a simple, affordable OBD2 scanner, you can plug right into your car and get the exact trouble code yourself. These scanners range from basic code readers to more advanced models. You plug it in, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine, and the scanner will display a code, something like P0420 or P0301. A quick search online for that specific code will tell you what it means, giving you a massive advantage. You'll know if it's that loose gas cap you can fix in seconds, or if you need to discuss a faulty oxygen sensor with your mechanic. This knowledge is power. It prevents you from getting overcharged for simple fixes and helps you have a much more informed conversation with your repair shop. You're no longer in the dark. You're an active participant in your car's health. Now, let's take it a step further. What if you could see what's happening inside your engine in real time? That's where more advanced Bluetooth or Wi-Fi OBD2 adapters come in. These little dongles plug into the port and stay there, wirelessly sending a constant stream of data directly to an app on your smartphone or tablet. We're talking about a treasure trove of live information. You can monitor your engine's RPM, coolant temperature, fuel trim, throttle position, and so much more. Why is this useful? Imagine you're on a long road trip. You can keep an eye on your engine temperature to make sure it's not overheating on a steep climb. Or you can monitor your real-time fuel consumption to adjust your driving style and squeeze every last mile out of your gas tank. Apps like Torque, OBD, Fusion, or Car Scanner turn your phone into a fully customizable digital dashboard. You can set up gauges for any parameter you want to track. This isn't just for car geeks. It's for anyone who wants to be a more proactive and efficient driver. It's like having a full-blown race car telemetry system right in the palm of your hand. Beyond diagnostics and live data, the OBD2 port can actually help you become a safer, more economical driver. Many of these smartphone apps have features that analyze your driving habits. They can track things like harsh acceleration, hard braking, and excessive idling. The app can then give you a driving score and offer tips on how to improve by making small adjustments, like accelerating more smoothly or coasting to a stop instead of slamming on the brakes. You can significantly improve your fuel economy. We're talking potential savings of 5, 10, or even 15% on your fuel bill over time. That adds up fast. Furthermore, smoother driving is safer driving. It puts less wear and tear on your brakes, tires, and suspension components, which means fewer repairs and a longer life for your vehicle. Some insurance companies even offer pay-as-you-drive programs using similar OBD2 devices. They reward safe drivers with lower premiums. So, by plugging into your OBD2 port, you're not just reading data, you're getting personalized coaching that saves you money and helps keep you, your passengers, and others on the road safer. Let's get into some of the more advanced capabilities, which are incredibly cool. For certain car models, you can use the OBD2 port for customization and coding. This means you can actually change some of your car's factory settings. Want your car to automatically lock the doors when you start driving? Or maybe you want to disable that annoying seatbelt chime, though I don't recommend that for safety reasons. Or how about activating a feature that your car has but was enabled for your specific trim level, like enabling digital speedometers or changing the behavior of your daytime running lights. With specific apps and adapters, like Carly or Bimmer Code for BMWs, you can access these hidden menus and tailor your car's behavior to your personal preferences. It's like jailbreaking your car, but in a safe and reversible way. Now, a word of caution. This is advanced stuff. You should always do your research for your specific make and model and be very careful about the changes you make. Always back up your car's original settings before you start tweaking. But for those willing to learn, it opens up a whole new level of personalization that was once only available to dealerships and specialized tuning shops. For the performance enthusiasts out there, the OBD2 port is your gateway to unleashing your car's true potential. This is where we talk about tuning. Performance tuning involves modifying the car's engine control unit, or ECU, to optimize performance by using a more sophisticated OBD2 tool. Often called a flasher or tuner, you can upload a new software map to your car's computer. These maps can adjust parameters like the air-fuel ratio, ignition timing, and on turbocharged cars, the boost pressure. The result? A significant increase in horsepower and torque. This is a very popular modification in the car community, and it's all done through that humble little port. You can go from a stock vehicle to a much faster and more responsive machine in under an hour, right in your own driveway. It's not just about raw power either. Many tunes can also improve throttle response and drivability, making the car feel more alert and fun to drive even in normal traffic. Again, this is a serious modification. It is crucial to use reputable tuning companies and understand the potential impact on your car's longevity and warranty. But for those seeking more performance, the OBD2 port is the key that unlocks the door. Finally, let's talk about maintenance and keeping records. A healthy car is a happy car, and your OBD2 port can be your best friend in keeping it that way. Many of the apps we've discussed allow you to log data and track your vehicle's health over time. You can record your fuel fill-ups to get a super accurate reading of your long-term MP. More importantly, some apps allow you to run specific system tests and checks that go beyond just reading codes. You can check the status of your emission systems, which is incredibly helpful if you have an upcoming smog check. You can also reset certain maintenance lights yourself, like the oil change reminder after you've completed the service. Having a digital log of your car's performance and any trouble codes that have appeared can be invaluable. When you do need to go to a mechanic, you can show them a detailed history, which can help them diagnose issues faster and more accurately. It also creates a fantastic record of the car's health, which is a huge selling point if you ever decide to sell it. A buyer will be much more confident knowing they can see a detailed, data-backed history of the vehicle's life. It's all about being proactive, not reactive. So, as you can see, that little OBD2 port is so much more than just a tool for your mechanic. It's a diagnostic center, a real-time data hub, a driving coach, a customization tool, and even a performance tuner, all rolled into one. For a small investment in a scanner or a Bluetooth adapter, you can save thousands of dollars on repairs and fuel, extend the life of your vehicle, and have a much deeper understanding of the machine you rely on every single day. It transforms you from just a driver into a truly informed owner. If you haven't explored what your car's OBD2 port can do, I highly encourage you to give it a try. The world of information waiting for you is absolutely fascinating.